Hello friends, welcome to Let's Unravel the World. So in today's video we will be talking about top 10 myths and its facts regarding La Aqua. So let's begin.
Soda beverages can quench thirst.
When we consume sugary beverages to quench our thirst, the body ends up getting more thirst signals. Sugar is hygroscopic, which means it absorbs water molecules. Drinking sugary beverages will deplete water temporarily, as sugar crystals will absorb the water molecules, and you will still stay thirsty.
I only need to drink when I'm thirsty.
Wrong. You should drink water even when you are not thirsty. Thirst is a psychological alert that the body sends when it has lost a bit too much of water. Your body is pretty clever. Give it some credit. It's trying to tell you something.
Drinking water doesn't do anything for your hunger.
It's proven that drinking water does help with hunger pains. At times, thirst feels the same as hunger, and a glass of water can occupy your mouths and minds. Then we are tempted to snack. Drinking water can distract you from eating and keep you fuller between meals.
I shouldn't drink water in the morning.
No, who told you that? Morning is a great time to drink a glass of healthy water. Drinking water is healthy throughout the day. Just don't go drinking 3 liters of water all at once, at any time of the day. That's not wise.
I don't sweat, so I don't need to drink water.
Yes, you do. Your body constantly loses water to balance its temperature. You might feel superficially comfortable because any sweat is discreetly evaporating, but you're still losing water that you need to replace.
Don't drink water with meals.
While you shouldn't drink excessive amounts, a small glass with a meal will help your food to be covered more easily with digestive juices.
Instead of water, I'm better off drinking Diet Cola.
Diet Cola contains phosphoric acid, which can damage calcium metabolism and bone health in high enough quantities. Pure water with no additives is the best way to hydrate.
Drinking too much water can kill you.
Drinking so much of water that you die is very rare. Water intoxication or water poisoning can only happen when you drink absolutely excessive amounts of water. Way too much than your normally self-regulating body can cope with. If you are heading that way, you will probably be painfully bloated and you will end up vomiting. That's a pretty good signal that you have drunk too much. Hyponatremia occurs when the salt level in your blood becomes way too diluted. Exercise-associated hyponatremia is relatively common in marathon runners when they have not managed their water intake correctly. So listen to your body, it works little miracles every day.
You're not dehydrated during winter.
This is a common myth which leads to severe dehydration during winters. Use of humidifiers, room heaters lower humidity in your home. As a result, you lose humidity from your breath and skin, thereby dehydrating your body. This is the reason why most of us notice the instances of dry eyes, skin irritation and chapped lips during winter. So, whether you are staying indoors or indulge in some winter sports, ensure that you drink enough water during winter.
Drinking water without brushing your teeth is harmful.
Many people believe that they should not drink water before brushing their teeth because of the bacteria present in the saliva after you wake up. But when you drink water after waking up before brushing, your saliva goes with the water down into the stomach, which results in killing of the bacteria due to high acid contained inside it. Therefore, there is absolutely no harm if you drink water before brushing teeth. So, those are some of the common myths that most of us tend to believe which can do more harm than good. Staying hydrated is the key to stay healthy and avoid diseases. However, ensure that you drink clean and safe drinking water to avoid diseases. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you are a first time viewer, then hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell, and share this video with your friends and family to get notification on our upcoming videos. Stay safe, stay healthy.